You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name, pronunciation, author. She said herself that her name comes from a Spanish place, pronounced in Spanish Gabaldon. Gabaldon, a stress on the last syllable, Gabaldon. So Diana Gabaldon, or in English, Diana Gabaldon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.